Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook tamales in the oven. First, preheat your oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it reaches the correct temperature. You will also need a large baking dish or roasting pan with a lid or heavy-duty aluminum foil. Gather your prepared tamales, making sure they are securely wrapped, then arrange them upright in your chosen pan for baking. Once your oven is preheated, arrange the tamales upright in your baking dish, ensuring they are snug but not overly packed. Add about 1/2 inch of hot water to the bottom of the dish. This creates a steaming environment. Cover the dish tightly with a lid or 2 layers of aluminum foil to seal in the moisture. Bake for approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. After the initial baking time, carefully remove the dish from the oven and check for doneness. A tamale is ready when its corn husk easily peels away from the masa, revealing a firm, cooked texture. If the masa still clings to the husk, return the tamales to the oven for another 20 to 30 minutes, checking again. Continue this process until they are perfectly cooked through. Once your tamales are perfectly cooked, let them rest in the covered dish for about 10 minutes before serving. This allows the masa to firm up slightly and enhances the flavor. Carefully unwrap each tamale, discarding the husk, and enjoy them warm. They pair wonderfully with salsa, sour cream, or a sprinkle of fresh cilantro, making a delightful meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.